Afternoon. Namaste. I'm Ravindra Shrestha from Kumar Roshan Sichuan JB, and I'm pile tester. And I've been doing pile test since 10 years in various renowned projects of Nepal, like Mahakali Bridge Project, Rapti Bridge Project, Sadhani Bridge Project, and other bridges of Western sector. And today we are going to conduct pile integrity test here at bridge number 4, pier foundation. And to conduct pile integrity test, we have here from consultant side Adi sir and engineer sir from client Nepal Army, and we are from contractor here. And let's go. First of all, with the introduction of equipment and tools related to pile integrity test, and after that we will be discussing the function of the pile integrity, or the purpose of the pile integrity, and the types of integrity that we test on the pile. Let's have a look here. This is a PRT machine, pile integrity testing machine, and it is from US, the company the Pile Dynamics here. Let's go one by one. And this one is main box. It's pile integrity tester. For the number of blows that will take.
What is the weight of hammer?
And it is 2.5 kg. And here we have the sensor for getting the signal to the test machine sensor. And this is wax for the adhesive purpose. Addition of the sensor and the top of the pile. Okay, and there are different types of integrity tests that we do for knowing the integrity of the pile. For example, cross-hole test and pile integrity test. This is the low strength method that we are going to do here, and it is the fastest method. And we'll compare cross-hole results with low strength test results, and interpretation of that will be presented in the report. And let's have a look here regarding the preparation of pile for the pile integrity test, that is low strength test. Here we have pile top, and this is the pile top preparation for pile integrity test. And in this we'll prepare top at cutoff level, and in the cutoff level we'll have at least four smooth surface, and that is about diameter of 5 centimeter. In the middle there we have for placing sensor, and surrounded by at least three for the pile lesser than 1200 mm diameter. This is the setup. Ashokji here. This is the setup for pile. And during this preparation, we have to take different things in account. This should be above water top level. Water level should not be nearby. It should be dry, and it should be clean and smooth, and no any small pieces of concrete should not be here. It should not be, and no any pieces should be here, because if there will be we found pieces, there will be problem in the signal, and the signal will be captured. We will not have the good side ray cut. This is all about the preparation regarding the side ray cut. And okay, without wasting time, let's go ahead and take the side record using this instrument that we have. Let's go. Now we are going to take side record of piles of Bridger 4 pure foundation P1B. P1B, and this is the screen. We go with velocity mode here, and some inputs regarding the hammer. Wave speed is usually kept 4000 meter per second. It is average between 3500 and 4500.
It depends upon the pile concrete.
Pile concrete. It depends on the pile
M40,
concrete.
this is for M40.
M40, yes. And these are the setup, and this is 22 meter pile, right?
Yes.
22 meter. And we'll keep here for the scaling purpose. And the area, the diameter of the pile at top surface is 120 centimeter. That is 1.2 meter.
Okay.
The next one, the number of blows that we're going to take
Close.
the record. Four. Okay.
Since it should be kept
Okay,
in
please.
middle.
Next one.
Okay. Very actually.
Next one. Okay. 3 number of blows taken. Record, and during record side record, they are the things we should take into account, and after well record keeping, and we'll go in with the analysis for finding the defects or the things in the pile that goes. Okay, that is usually related to integrity of the pile, like the bulging necking and other sort of. Next one is depth. They are the most. They are the things that we take, that we'll find in the result of pile integrity. Pile integrity itself is integrity test, and it is the purpose of pile integrity test is to assess the pile integrity. That is whether it is good or not, from top to bottom. Like sometimes there might be necking, bulging, necking or bulging. Necking or bulging, they are the defects. We consider that defects, but it doesn't mean that necking or bulging, if it always gives the bad pile, and it has some range. The pile integrity test also, or the low strain method test, has also itself has its own tolerance. and within that limit, if it falls within that limit, that is okay. Otherwise, if it doesn't fall in that limit, that might be considered as bad pile, and some corrections or some new pile casting might have to be done. Okay, and these are the things we can find out from the pile integrity test. And almost the site record has been completed, and next our main important thing is that we'll go in the table and do some analysis works. And in the analysis section, and we do the beta analysis and the profile analysis. Profile analysis and beta analysis. Profile analysis gives us the integrity of the pile and the section of the pile, and beta analysis gives us the impedance change, that the various changes in the pile that we encounter during casting. And usually in the bore cast in situ pile, there are the things like that: necking, bulging. Necking is a bit dangerous type, and bulging is a good type. Bulging is good one. Bulging, if happens the bulging and the concrete quantity is good enough, bulging is good. It increases the strength of the pile. That is the main thing. If there is any question, let's go.
What is the maximum acceptable value of beta impedance?
Impedance is it's about 10%, sir. 10%.
Any questions?
Okay.
Okay.